Hello, friends. I'm here to give you the introduction of the lesson Sources of Energy. This is an important lesson and also very easy. This is the outline of the lesson. Sources of energy is broadly divided into two. One is renewable and another one is non renewable. Renewable energy is non conventional energy and non renewable energy is conventional source of energy. And this non conventional source of energy consists of geothermal energy, nuclear energy, solar energy, biomass, wind energy, hydroelectric energy, or the energy which we get from flowing water. The conventional source of energy are fossil fuel, which is broadly divided into coal, petroleum, and natural gas, which we extract from the earth, and coal is used in thermal power plants. Thermal means heat. Now I am going to say the points used in characteristics of a good fuel. First and foremost point is the calorific value should be high. Calorific value means heat producing value. The second point is the smoke released while burning the fuel should be less. Third point, the residue which we get or the remain which we get when we burn the fuel should be less. Because if the remains is more, then no use of the remains. It is another waste to the environment. If the smoke is less, it is eco-friendly and absolutely it is considered as a good fuel. If the calorific value is high, then the efficiency of the fuel will be more and hence it is very helpful for the uses. Next point is a cost. Cost should be less or it should be economical. Even if it is high, it should have the value for it. Next point is easily available. Even if it has all these characteristics, if it is not easily available, then there is no use. Because only if it is available, we can use that fuel. The last point is it should be easy to store and transport. Not only availability, also we should accessibility. For that, we need transport and storing. If the fuel is not applicable to store and transport easily, then it'll take more time or also may delay or we may not use that fuel. Hence, the fuel will be considered as not a good fuel. These are all the points which are used to consider a fuel as a good fuel, and these are called as the characteristics of a good fuel. Now I am going to say the sources of non-conventional sources of energy. For geothermal, we need the heat produced in the Earth's core, which is very large. And for nuclear energy, we need the nucleus of elements because the nucleus of the element are responsible for the nuclear fission and fusion. In both the process, we need nucleus of an element. For solar energy, the ultimate source is sun. For wind energy, the ultimate source is moving air and not the air. If the air flows at a very high speed, only then it is useful for wind energy. Biomass is natural decomposition because biomass is nothing but the natural waste which is used as a fuel to produce energy. And in water, for hydro, we need flowing water. Only then, at the high speed, we get the energy, hydroelectric energy. Thank you, friends.